The rain continues to fall for some lucky folks across western Iowa this morning. There's some more rain too from Mason City and Decorah up through Minneapolis and out toward Wisconsin. And here comes the cold front now just entering the northwestern part of the state. So let's go in for a little closer view here. One of the strongest storms on radar now approaching Clarinda. This one has weakened to just below severe limits. Still a lot of lightning with this, even some small hail. It's moving to the southeast. It may be even affecting Bedford here before it heads in toward Missouri over the next half an hour to 45 minutes. From Greenfield up through Guthrie Center and near Grand Junction over toward Boone, we've got some more showers, potentially a rumble of thunder developing near you as well. Fort Dodge over toward Rockwell City and Humboldt. Here comes some more rain lifting up to the east and northeast. Sac City getting a good gentle rain early this morning. Let's take you hour by hour through 7 a.m. The rain chances continue across the western half of the state. The rain continues to move to the east, though, arriving in the Des Moines metro area by around 8 or 9 a.m. We'll see how that affects the morning commute here. And then by noontime, we'll still be dealing with the rain kind of bisecting the state from southwest to northeast. The better chances for rain during the afternoon head out toward the eastern part of the state, while the rest of us get clearing skies, and it will turn out to be a comfortable day. Now, the actual beneficial rains are going to be spotty at best. If you get a thunder shower, expect a good half of an inch at least of rainfall. The rest of us, even if we do get a gentle shower, it'll be less than a quarter of an inch. This morning, we're waking up to readings in the 60s. It's 64 right now in Boone, 59 in Newton, and 68 degrees in Atlantic. Over the next 12 hours, we'll see that rain that is now out to the west, moving to the east. So here in the Des Moines area, we can expect it by around 8 a.m., lasting until about noon. Then the afternoon is looking drier and sunshine returns. Highs today will be cooler than over the weekend, but just a little bit in the upper 70s. Right now, the roads are still all dry. No fog to report, no rain falling, but the clouds are moving in. 64 here in Des Moines. The dew point still pretty low at 55, and the breeze now coming in from the south-southeast will shift to the northwest as that rain moves through. And the rain comes to an end for central Iowa by around midday. The afternoon looks drier for the western half of the state. Tuesday, cloudy, maybe a stray sprinkle, and really refreshing. A taste of fall there with morning lows in the 40s and 50s tomorrow and highs only in the low 70s. Then things heat up pretty quickly for Wednesday, back into the upper 80s. 80s rule the rest of the forecast along with sunshine through Saturday. Then by Sunday into Monday, we'll get another chance for rain.